Today I'm going to show you how to swap the steering angle sensor on a Mercedes CLA. Some people call it the squib also, behind the steering wheel. Firstly, you have to remove the airbag. If you see around the corner of the steering wheel here, there's a little, see that? One on each side. You have to push a screwdriver in, just the same as most cars. You feel a clip behind, pop the airbag off, make sure you've got the battery disconnected, so the airbag doesn't go off. Once that's off, I'll show you what to do next. That's the airbag off. You can see here, when you push the screwdriver through, it pushes them to the side. That's what releases the airbag. Next, you've got a clip here at this side and one at this side. Disconnect them, and then you've got a big Allen key in the center, which I'll show you after I've moved this airbag. Right, it's just to show you, I've cracked it off. It's a 10mm Allen key. That'll just wind out. Once that's out, so make sure you've got this this disconnected as well. I'll put the camera down to remove it because obviously I need two hands. I'll show you what to do afterwards. Right, next bit you have to do, just at the back of here, you just pull it, disconnect that, pull it back, it will disconnect, and then the full thing does come off. What you need to do is to plug in the back of here, just the same as the ones behind the airbag. A little clip top and bottom, pull it out, remove it, and that's the steering angle sensor removed. Right, just to quickly show you, this is the one I've removed. This is the one I'm replacing it with. All you need to do to remove this housing at the backside one is these three little Torx bits here. Once you've removed that, you have to remove the front, which I'll show you after I've took these screws out. Yeah, I've taken the screws out, literally just some clips from the front. You just lift this off. Obviously when you lift that off, there's the front off, there's a part of the ring underneath, but it can only go one way. You can see here, it only fits into there. Yeah, so when you swap it over onto the new one, you can't get that wrong. And you basically just put the cover back on the new one, and then the back cover back on, the three Torx bits, and then you just put it back onto the car exactly the same way as you removed it. That's basically how you swap the steering angle sensor on a CLA.